Okay, take literally like 50. Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and I want to invite you out this Thursday night at 6 p.m. Pacific time. That's West Coast, Best Coast time, to join me as well as Cooking with CJ live in the hot seat. He's got a bunch of questions that he wants to grill me with about barbecue, about life, about YouTube, really about anything. And so we need you to come in, join the live stream, get your questions in, hang out with us, have some fun, drink some beers. Doesn't really matter what you do on your end. I'm going to put links to his channel for you to go over and hit that subscribe button as well as his notification bell so you don't miss out on this night. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm also going to make sure I have all the details down in the description box of this video so you don't miss out. Guys, this is going to be a lot of fun. Live in the hot seat this Thursday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. We'll chat soon. Loosen the lips. Here we go. Check this. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jabin here from Postal Barbecue.